I don't mean to stir up any drama with this video, but I feel like this is the only way that I can have a response to this. So recently, you might have seen a whole bunch of videos about the Radiomaster TX15, awesome little radio. You can go watch that review up there. Now this morning when I was flicking through my phone, having my cup of coffee, I saw a video pop up from someone I hold in incredibly high esteem, an absolute legend, Bruce from RC Model Reviews and Xjet, and he did a video that was titled something along the lines, I'll put it on the screen because I want to get it correct, but basically what they're not telling you about radio reviews or the questions people aren't asking. And in that video, he goes on to say this.
I'm here to tell you things that no one else is going to tell you. YouTube is covered, littered, filled with reviews on the Radiomaster T15 Max, and I'm going to tell you something that none of the other reviewers will tell you. And for good reason. You don't need new radio.
And you might be saying, Stuart, well, maybe he's talking generally about the hobby. Maybe he's talking about YouTube in general and not your specific situation. However, if you look at that video, my title is the very first one that pops up in there at like 8 seconds. He is referencing my one first.
The last radio you'll ever need?
When you look at him put the thumbnails on the screen, I am dead set bang in the middle. Like my face is the only one on that when he's talking about it.
Filled with reviews on the Radiomaster T15 Max, and to be honest, looks like a damn good radio.
So when Bruce is saying that, look, reviewers aren't asking these questions, and he's putting my face on the screen, people are going to be associating that with my face on there, and that is simply not the case. It's not true, because Bruce, and to everybody else watching this, look what I said in my Radiomaster review. Like, I'm going to play it right now. An important point I hope I could have stressed through this is you do not need to buy this if you already have a working radio. Radiomaster might not like me saying that, but if you have a Boxer Crush, if you have a Radiomaster Pocket, unless this is doing something that your other radios are not doing, it doesn't make your FPV days flying with your friends more fun. You can already go out and have some fun. And remember, it's not about having the best gear, it's about having the best time. So that entire video that Bruce is making his point about and using my face and my titles in there, I feel that is a little bit misleading. And the reason that I'm making this video, and people might say, why couldn't you just put this as a comment? Because nobody's going to read their comment. They're going to watch that video, take Bruce at his word. They're probably never going to see my writer reply right here. So that's why I'm making this, just to let you guys know and to let Bruce know as well. So I try awfully hard. In the last 10 years that I've been building this channel, I'm really proud of what I've done and the message that I send to people all the time. It's not about having the best gear, it's about having the best times. Now there's some other points in the video that Bruce doesn't directly call me out for, but he does talk about things like affiliate links, how he doesn't use them. He talks about sponsorships or worrying about if companies aren't gonna send you something if you don't say something nice. And I would just like to say, in my specific case, yes, I use affiliate links. It has absolutely zero outcome on how Stickman Steve and myself feel about our product. We wanna give you the right information so you can get out there, get flying, and have a good time. And if I say something negative about one product, there is still 100 more wanting to take its place. So there is no implications or worry for me like, oh, if I say something negative here, then I'm never gonna get to review them. And Radiomaster hasn't been like that. I've had some big criticisms of them in the past, and they're still more than happy to say, hey, Stuart, can you please review this radio? So this is just my little right of reply here. I'm putting it out there, and this isn't drama. I don't hate Bruce or anything like that. If you've actually known the channel that I've been doing and what he's been doing, we make amazing content, and believe it or not, I've been a supporter of Bruce for like 7 years or 8 years or something like that on Patreon, and I've never dropped my membership to him because I believe in what he does. However, this situation right here, when he's putting my face on there and my titles and saying that, you know, reviewers are trying to trick you or mislead you, or I guess wanting to sell more things rather than provide accurate information. In my situation, that is not the case, because I want everybody to have the right information to get out there and get flying. So look, that's why I'm making this video. I don't mean to stir any drama up or anything like that. It's because in this case, it's affecting my integrity and the integrity of the videos that I make on UAVfutures. So anyway, that's why this video is here. Make sure you check in tomorrow because we have a pretty spicy video in a fun way coming up. We'll be talking about some of the pitfalls with the Ruby VRX that me and Stickman Steve were flying around with. Bruce, I still absolutely love the work that you do. It probably just hurt and stung a little bit because I hold you in such high esteem with your opinions, and I'm sure so many other people do as well. And that's probably why I'm making this video, like even more so why it's more important to me as well.